What do you say we take a ride down Route 66?
Yeah, boy!
What's going on, everybody? D-Cycle here on a Route 66 edition of This Moto Vlog. Decided to go a different way home from work this time. Tell you what, I am so ready for a vacation. Now, I usually can't go on vacation in the summer because I have a really big work project that's due at the same time every year. So it really doesn't allow me to get away from the office for more than maybe a day or two. So I'm usually at work all summer, but I think next year, since it's going to be me and my wife's 10th wedding anniversary, we're actually going to plan to go do a trip somewhere. We're thinking maybe going back to Pensacola, Florida, or going to Vegas, because that's where we went for our honeymoon. But I know either way, wherever we go, we're going to have a good time. Man, it's pretty nice out right now. I don't know if you can see in the video, but they got the Route 66 emblem painted on the roads and spots. And speaking of Route 66, I don't know if you guys that tune into the channel watch Great Egret. He's becoming one of my more on the favorite side of moto vloggers. And he's real active on my channel and vice versa. Now he's planning a Route 66 trip this fall, I believe. I think he said September. And since I'm only about 10 minutes from Route 66, I said, hey man, when you come through this way, make sure you hit me up. We'll do a little riding together, and maybe we'll grab something to eat, you know, just depending on what time he actually makes it, you know, through town. So I'm really looking forward to that. That should be maybe we'll shoot some good moto vlogs, and maybe we'll do some dual vlogging. I haven't been able to do that yet. I've been wanting to do a dual vlog for a while. But I don't know if I've said this before, but summer isn't my favorite time of the year. It gets too hot for my liking, really, most of the time. Swamp ass weather is like in full effect right now because it's mid-July. And, you know, I mean, not that my kids are a burden, but my oldest son, who's in pre-K right now, you know, he's home all the time. But that's not a bad thing. He really enjoys school. But I'm looking forward to do a lot of fall riding and going to some fall events. I know there's another Bikers Against Autism charity ride, and there's going to be another Unhinged MC charity ride coming up probably in the next couple of months or so. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Both if I can. And I talked about vacation earlier. Me and my wife, we did plan a vacation. We've already booked our hotel room. And I don't know if you've seen any of my garage videos where I'm either doing a how-to or something in the garage or another, but I'm a big Pittsburgh Penguin fan. I have been for several decades. Big Mario Lemieux fan, big Yager fan, and you know the current roster isn't too shabby either. But we've been going to Pittsburgh on and off for the last 4 years, and we have a great time when we go. And we bought us some tickets for opening night against the Washington Capitals, and we're gonna go down there, and we got a hotel like right next to where they play. And what's good about the shuttle service there is it takes you around anywhere for free within like a 2-mile radius. So we usually get dropped off. Don't have to do too much driving when we're staying down there. Actually, we don't do any driving at all. But I'm really looking forward to that because you know, after this big project I got going on at work gets done, it's like it's almost like a loosening of the belt. But if you ask me, fall is I think it's the perfect season. Around mid-fall when the highs is in the 70s and the trees are starting to change color. And that's one of the things I really like about fall, especially in riding bikes, because I didn't get out too much in the fall last year, but we're going to be going down the Grafton River Road once or twice maybe. And it's the prettiest fall drive you'll ever go down. Because you got the river on your left. Well, this is depending on which direction you're going. Let's say you're going from Alton. You got the river on your left, and on your right you got these rocky cliffs. And you've got, you know, all these trees and everything along the side of the road, on these hills and on the cliffs and everything. And you know, they start turning to red amber and orange and all this stuff, and it's just beautiful to watch, beautiful to look at. What are we doing? You do, you don't. I guess they don't. So a little call to action, I gotta ask, what is your guys' favorite season, especially for riding? Is it summer, is it fall, is it spring? I definitely know it's not winter. None of you can say you actually love winter unless you're living in a hot state where it doesn't get too cold. But let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite season to ride? Good God, what's with the slowage? Drop a gear. He's gonna pass. Sounds like a good idea. Well guys, I'm about off 66, getting ready to hit another highway to go back home. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever another video just like this will be uploaded. Check me out on social media, on Instagram and on Facebook. Remember, I have t-shirts for sale for 15 bucks a piece, extra for shipping. All proceeds benefit Heidi Foundation to help people with special needs. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.